Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your phone look smoother on Oukitel WP50 using animation scaling. To make your phone look smoother, go to Settings, then scroll down to About Phone, then scroll all the way down and click on build number 7 times, then enter your screen lock, and now go back. Now in System, you can see developer options which have just appeared after you've clicked on the build number. And now you can scroll down to animation scaling, which is here, and you can see that it's now set to 0.5. You can set it to, for example, 1. For window, transition and animator, I'm gonna just change the window because it's the most noticeable, but these ones can be also noticed. And you can see that when I set it to a higher value, it makes animations slower, and when I set it to a lower value, it makes them faster. When I set them to off, you can see that it's now the fastest. To go back to the default setting, go to 0.5 times. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.